In today's video, I'll be showing you how to block someone on your Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet. So first, open the Contacts app, and in Contacts, scroll down and select a contact you wish to block. Once you've selected the contact, tap on the More icon in the bottom left corner or bottom right corner, and then you should see the option Block Contact. Then you'll be asked to block contact. You will no longer receive any calls or messages from this contact. So if you're sure about blocking this contact, simply tap on block, and now you'll no longer receive any calls or messages. Let's try another one. So let's choose this one, then More, Block Contact, and Block. And that's how to do it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.